This made in China digital smart intelligent microscope is really fascinating. It is easy to operate, and it has got magnification going up to 1600 times plus digital magnification, and it's quite a joy to watch it, because even most expensive microscopes do not give you this type of facility. I can measure also any of these, all these measuring this one angles, everything is given there. So just by touch. Digitally it is 5.45 mm, and I can undo it also. This is a very interesting type of this one. It has got two types of illumination. That incident illumination is this, which I am closing now, and I am now going for the transmitted light. And I can get both the views very sharp, and I can get the details also.